NanoFlowX delivers full 360 protection from water damage and the elements. Far beyond what traditional conformal coatings offer, it's not just an alternative, it's the next evolution in electronics protection. Conformal coatings require tedious masking and long 2 to 4 hour process times. NanoFlowX applies in minutes, no masking, 100% reworkable. Just dip into our liquid solution and apply heat. NanoFlowX delivers multi-layer protection with IP68 water and dust defense, plus corrosion, moisture, humidity, and bacteria. A level of protection conformal coatings can't achieve. No costly equipment needed to start. NanoFlowX saves you time, money, and boosts electronics durability, reducing maintenance and replacement costs in the long term. Stop settling for outdated coatings. It's time for simple, smarter, faster protection. To purchase test kits or get complimentary device coatings, schedule a meeting with us at nanoflowx.com today.